Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Makeup Monday. Wow, that one came out pretty bad. Anyways, today for Makeup Monday, you guys, I am so extra excited because I finally got my ABH NORVINA collection cake liners. Let me tell you guys a little backstory. These were a pain in my bum to receive. I ordered them when they first launched on the Anastasia website. Shipping took forever, ordering took forever, and then when it was stuck in shipping, I was like, what is going on? I was supposed to get my eyeliners on a Wednesday. They never arrived. I ended up contacting Anastasia and FedEx, and long story short, my eyeliners got lost in transit somewhere. So I was fortunate enough to be able to receive them again from their team, not because they know me or they know who I am. They were just like, oh, you know, your package was lost. Let's send you a new order. So they did send me the eyeliners again, and I finally got them, and I am so excited. I was just waiting for me to play with them, and I just got my hands all full of eyeliner. So today's makeup look is going to be this look right here. It's a very basic look, but obviously you have your pop of eyeliner, and oh my god, I can't wait to show you guys how to use these and how to make them work. These are so fun for beginners, for people that are in between, that you know how to do your makeup, to pro artists. These are very cool, very, like, I don't know, very pretty to look at, and I'm just excited to play with every single color. I was only able to use 2 colors today because that's the theme that I wanted to go with. But if you guys want to see more tutorials with these cake liners, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Go ahead and grab your brushes. If you have your cake liners, grab them, and let's go ahead and get glam together. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I already have my base down. I've kind of been doing it off camera. I'm pretty sure you guys don't know or don't care to see that. So let's go ahead and start off by applying some color to the crease. I think I know what I'm going to do, but I just don't know what colors I want to play with yet. Let me grab my little Bareminerals color switch because you guys know this is my baby. This sits with me every time I am doing my makeup. So for today's palette, I will be using the Jaclyn X Morphe palette. This is the second round. So whatever colors you guys have, remember, you don't have to have exactly the same colors as me. So I'm actually going to use some new brushes that I bought from Ulta a few days ago. And I've been loving them. So I think I'm first going to go in with the Morphe M505. This is a brand new brush to me, and I've been really into it, like really into it. I'm going to start off with a really light shade. So I'm going to take the shade Perfectionist, which is that one right there. And I'm going to take a little bit of Love Handles. Love that name. I also have some love handles, girl. I'm just going to dip into both of them, and I'm going to apply them right here. And I'm not going to worry about packing on too much of this color or anything like that, but I do want a nice wash of color. And then I'm just softly going to blend the edges. I didn't set my lid, if you guys are wondering. And then I am going to swoop this out since we are going for a half cut crease look. I'm picking up Certified, which of course is the matte vanilla shade in the palette, which you guys know is one of my favorite colors. It's just so pigmented and so creamy. I'm just going to run that through the brow bone area. I do like to take the big fluffy Morphe brush, the M441, and I just like to run that through mainly the edges of the shadow, like right at the top here, just so you can't see at all any harsh lines, nothing. We want all the softness, just like that. That's such a pretty color. I'm going to add a little bit more color into the crease. So let me find, I'm actually going to take, I think I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush. This is the collection with J Kissa. And I'm just going to make sure that there's no products in there. I'm going to take the shade G Money, which is this one right there, if my camera can focus. We're actually going to switch brushes. This is the one that I wanted to use. It was right in front of me. So this is also a new one that I just picked up, the M433, which is this one. It's nice and flat. It's a really nice packer brush. I had not used this brush either, and when I saw it at Ulta, I was like, this looks like something I will like. So I'm just going to throw that into the crease just to create a little more dimension. And I'm also going to swoop that out. I'm switching back to the M505 and just making sure that the edges are blended out. I am quickly going to dip into another palette just because I realized that the Jaclyn Hill doesn't have like a dark brown, and I really want to add just a little more contrast. So I'm just going to use the NYX Escape Artist palette, and I'm going to take that shade right there, which is like just a deep brown, and I'm only going to take the tiniest amount like that and just apply it here. Just a little bit. And I'm still using that same brush. I really like this brush, you guys. If you don't own it, I actually really recommend it because I like how flat it is. You can use it for packing on color into the crease on the lid, or you can use it to really get into like the what's it called, like your crease. If you don't already have a defined crease like I do, I have to create my own crease because mama ain't got one. So that's good enough for me. Now I'm going to go back with my concealer, and I'm going to take my flat brush. This is an AOA Studio brush, which is Shop Miss A. It's like a online store where they have everything for $1. It's super cheap. And all I'm going to do is do a cut crease, but this time we're going to do a full-on cut crease. Haven't done one in a while, so I'm going to hold my breath, and I'm just going to show you guys the process of me doing it because I literally can't talk. Then once you cut the crease, you just want to go back and pull down the concealer and apply that all over the lid. Then once you have that, I'm going to go back with a flat brush and pick up Certified once more, which is that matte vanilla shade. And I'm just applying that all over the lid, packing it on. Okay, now for the fun part. I didn't know which one I wanted to use today, but I realized I had this neon green shirt, so I was like, hello, we have to go with it neon green. So these are the brand new NORVINA Electric Lime or Electric Cake eyeliners. This isn't anything new, anything revolutionary. Like, there's so many brands out there that have so many of these pigments. I have never ever tried one ever, so I am just way too excited. So we're gonna go in with Electric Lime, which is the neon green. Now, I don't know what I was thinking when I ordered these off of the ABH website. I don't know, I guess I wasn't looking, I wasn't paying attention, como siempre, always being distracted. And I didn't order her actual pencil liner, so I'm gonna use this, which is a nail brush, but hey, we gotta make it work somehow. So you're supposed to get these wet, so I'm gonna grab a little setting spray. I'm actually gonna grab this water bottle that I have sitting next to me when I'm too lazy to go get my beauty blender wet upstairs. I literally keep this next to me, so don't judge me. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm going to follow the line that I just did as a cut crease and try to get it as perfect as I can. I'm not going to talk through this because, again, I can't. I need to hold my breath. Oh my god, these are really easy to work with, guys. Like, really easy. Okay, just like that. Wow, that eyeliner is gorgeous. I am loving it. Okay, so the liners itself, or the liner itself, it's not hard to work with. It's actually a really easy product to like move around and play with, and it gives you enough playtime to like fix the eyeliner. It's just, I think the eyeliner brush, or this brush that I was using, which is obviously not an eyeliner, was definitely a little bit harder. So I might have to invest into a good brush. But I think overall, the look looks okay. It's very like bright and vibrant. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a regular wing liner just to kind of like balance this off so it's not so weird looking. This inner corner highlight is, oh my god. And then I'm just going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to use the same shades that I used in the crease. I'm just going to throw them in the lower lash line. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my lips off camera, and we'll be done with this look. Yay. I hope you guys don't mind, but off camera I did add a little bit of the yellow neon liner on the outer corners, just like right here. I just wanted to use more than one eyeliner and give you more of a, or a better review, I guess I could say. So with that said, what are my thoughts on the new Norvina electric cake liners? Obviously I haven't tried them all, but I know that neon greens and yellows are some of the hardest ones because I've tried from a few different brands, like drugstore brands like NYX and Makeup Revolution, and I think also Profusion. They have liquid eyeliners and they've all cracked on me, and these have not. It's just learning how to use them, have a steady hand. But oh my god, this can be such a vibe if you guys are not into like colorful eyeshadows, but you want to play with makeup, you want to add a pop of color. I think these are really good. You definitely have to, like I said, learn how to use them and just work with them a little bit more. But I think once you get them down, you are going to love them. They're so beautiful. I can't wait to play with this neon green like Mita. The camera doesn't even pick up how neon this eyeliner is. So gorgeous. So I will definitely have to be doing, I'll definitely do more looks with the orange, the purple, the white. I don't know. I'm always iffy about white eyeliner. It kind of reminds me of like Chola days, and I don't know that I want to remember those days. And then the beautiful strawberry. But yeah, that is my opinion, you guys. I think these are totally worth it. They're very beautiful, very creamy, very easy to work with. You just need a steady hand, and that is it. And obviously if you have a UV light, you can just like play around with your makeup and make it look cool. Unfortunately I don't have one, so I can't test that for you guys today, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this look for Makeup Monday. As always, if you recreate any of my looks, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. That is where I am mostly active. Send me your pictures through my DM so I can show you some love. I know that times are very crazy right now, but I think makeup can be a little escape from all this craziness going on and just being a little mentally exhausting. Just take care of yourself, your mind, your soul, and body. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you again for joining me. I love you all so much. Be safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.